Hello, my people. My peopleistic people.
Mama, the milk don't dissolve.
Hello, my people, lily, people, lily, le. I don't usually they do this thing where I want to, but oh my God, there is one reason that make me want to do it. Hey, oh Lord, let her meet all the lie people like this. It would have been really good. Because if not only the time where they'll take fast and pray, try to repent or try to go do their juju, it go still be something for them. Go waste their fucking time, their fucking money. There are so many FFF things. They'll say, oh, Baba, Bonangi Bekete na, Now, know what I hear. I want to hear breaking news. Good evening, my lady. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Trying to quick. Me, EJ time don't go. I'm else. Hell, and the make way. And they come. I just say me I quickly put food, parboil everything. Me I can't do my video. If I come back, I'll come and finish all the cooking. 9 times don't already go, so oh yeah, some more makeup. Hey Monica, you do? I'm doing great, oh, doing fantastically well. Oh, I was just in my kitchen when one news just come to me like this, boy. And normally, usually, I know they happy and rejoice over people predicaments, even if they be my hater. But this one, the kind lie where lie. You got now where one hour not told me now walking and told me. You understand me? This particular one, I can't say what he do. The kind lie where he lie. Now say now that person here talking and told me. Honestly told me. I know what he happen. I hear say some people they drive, they go boom, boom, they get driving license. As they drive, they go now. They can't go back. They can't go drink. Now go look for the person by yourself. Oh, me I not go talk the person. Hey, so the person he can't drive, go back. Boom, he can't drink. As he can't drink finish, now so I felt they do, and now so I felt they do. No, say that person will lie on top. Where I tell that person, say, this like when they lie on you, don't let them go scot free. Oh, catch them one by one. He don't catch one. Hello, Jojo. He don't catch one, no. He press his neck. as he can't drink now, he can't they drive, they go. Say, now so I felt they do. I don't just know why the motor not just do my can. Okay, anyway, Baba God, maybe they give her warning. So now some police just come, now some police just say, hey, stop there. You they drive nonsense. Oh yeah, come blow. Now so the person just blow, they just catch and say drinking, driving. Now so they just collect the driving license, seize the person car. Hey, the person now come they hide down for the place where he dey. Oh. He come dey hide down for the place where he dey. Oh. Before you know, bam! He dey go work. He enter bus. Now they say, person, because I no go talk. Now go look for the person by myself. Person, where you come they use motor, they come, oh. You know? Why you come they use bus, they come. Wait till they go on, wait till they soon know what is going on. So, and they come find out, say, Chankan no face. The person, police don't collect his driving license. And now they say, even if police go give am. Now they say even if police go give her, e don't go. Oh, what is wrong? Una know who e be. I been na maybe the last to hear the news. E no go. I don't know. No. Anyway, now go look for the person for una self. That's what I promise. I will not come and say everything. You guys should go and look for who is this person. No. I talk and say this lie when you like. So no. Lie and go meet you. I don't meet one down. I usually don't rejoice over people predicament, but this one, no, too much. Person like that, behaving like enemy like that. What is that now? Even if now the lie when you talk, now it will not be because I not consign me. I have people to know for you. No. Next time, mind your business. Stupid person. Una no fit even get who e be, na be the thing. Una no go even fit guess. Now so now go dey guess another person now. Now guess another person. That one I go come dey drive car, they go now come dey do what I say. I think say they collect the car because una not guess who e be. Try to guess one person. He was driving, drinking. The person will don't surprise now say, Jesus! My city people, now so now they lie. Who go tell Monica? Who go tell Monica? Because I am Monica, and you can't lie for the head of somebody. And the day when you lie for the head of that person, I can't tell that person, say, oh, that person. Oh no, ma, o me ye fo o de kun ki anga mi me because o ma ga tu Emma. Especially person where you don't know for ground, where not do you anything. Do your lie like that. It's not good. Somebody say, Papa, where they cry. Only me bear. I'm a wait on my driving license. Don't. That one get paper. My lady, that one get paper. Not to talk of driving license. I be not know say now document that they do driving license. Right? That one get paper. I'm with driving license. Every car. Some people for some country like that, they feel they get car because their country not get law. But driving license they get. I'm aware. So that was how police came and took the man's and took the person's car and took the person's driving license. So now the person they use bus, they go walk. But maybe they'll go still check and just now the person will go redo exam again, you go redo this, but before he get am back again, they must remove one rank and he must suffer, and he's going to suffer for 600 years. That person ou ave mi o dekun na fone o dekun wo kan ave dekun we o dekun seko kan dekun u ke ya hiun mai we ami o except to when we are ko ge ju won manu la don u we me monetization wa kwa lo wa ye oge o ya kwa lo ku emu wa No. If not only headache you get, no. Imagine big person like that, drinking and driving. You want to kill human being, reckless somebody. That's why your mouth was making pure. I say you. Oh no. A live video why did they lay low in water? I didn't lay on a ten no game, Masofana me no homa. Oh, what digi? Oh, Saka, what can I say big over here on ya waiting my home because this one be don't happen since 1 month. Now I see who come tell me, who tell me now God will bless you because it feels so good. If you like now, so far he not die. My yami see the me mate we no tebe wu petit me we no ga o ma wu pon punishment o ma aragbon progress o degiye come na me driving license and na me motor ni adegiye ke ni hin after many years in abroad rubbish wa adegiye ke so e mo ge nu tanya na o ani ve deri oni iwa mo me we are Joshua we ayo ona wa be too much at least ya be agwa ma be gui u be yen we wa bo ma me zo o be lu gwa bo ma de me zo kakakaka ha sanera me anji no joro we se ne gbo kan o kwa we are ejin abo o we trouble. I greet you Lady PP. Oh see me o te se de age afa do you know easy busy some don't come and then do you was short no ma ya average anything me now my life busy no it not come easy. I need help for my life busy.
What's my step?
Okay. Hello my people, we greet you. Yeah, greet everybody. Now so we not see rich some people government don't take their driving license, seize their car because they go they drink. Now so they fed they do but the day when they lie for somebody head, we not do anything, we not even do such thing, we not even get bad record. No say for this life, some people really did they get bad record. Some people they not get bad record at all. The person just come and just like put for the person here because he want say make people come view one. Etie tu rien radeji on avait phone na si de gen na rien on veut voir we gbe dejo. Because oh regarde Emma. No be say person talk life for your body now. Say, let me constantly talk for your body. Oh, okay, my own can pass. Oh, my own can small. Now let me run here. Baba, dead ya. Moji. We you just from fresh one. You say now so that they do. Want to go. Don't drink and drive, otherwise the game will enter your body. Happy weekend, yes, everybody. I'm coming. I just want to parboil all my things that I want to use in cooking in the evening. Then I'm coming to you guys. Let's come and do polygamy. Because I say I'll do polygamy today. They can't send me one video, blackmailers. blackmailers. So you can blackmail somebody with your marriage video, and you forget everybody where did that video, you they insult them. If you go bring marriage video, come and say, see my marriage video, the man they there, oh, he they lie, oh, what did the man lie there? You will never see marriage where person will say, Daddy, I want marry. Daddy go say, no, I don't want this man. They go do that problem, oh, that they put on for video. Not be day of marriage, they go put for video. If the marriage can finally take place, we papa and mama, they do face like this. Shebi na the day where Pikin say I want marry. Now that day, I want bring man. Now that day on fair approve and yes or no. If your papa say no, I don't want. Your mama say no, I don't want. You go they beg them, abi. Daddy, why? Mommy, why? If you don't want me, want to say about my life, isn't it, my people?
Mama, can you turn the bus to me?
Now be tell they work. Then, if they can't agree, finish. Before marriage can't take place. Inside marriage, now so your papa and mama will still the front face. After una don't settle the issue. If they don't go front face, I was there. And again, you will go bring, if I don't love you, wait till I get. Thank you, my sister. Okay, you will go bring marriage video for to blackmail them emotionally. Say, see, oh, that day was happy. Maybe not happy for his daughter marriage after he don't agree. Make it go the carry face for there. Okay, another one. Una say, make the papa see video. Make it touch your heart. What about the people where did that marriage? Una not see papa will laugh for that marriage. Una not see Akobe. Una not see no Wamagbe. Am I rob a marriage in no my bogbe? I bet they go. Person we not done no man. Wait see. Me I get some people just because of maybe when I do picking dedication that time they come. See today for social media, nothing where that they do where I'll carry extraordinary. Or people will come my papa 10 years anniversary where I do. Nothing where they will do where I'll carry like big. Never. I must jolly way. Why? I can't be a benefit somewhere. Don't do. Una not even the shame. The married one they go show more na take blackmail. If you look and you go even shake it, you're the shame. Because the people where una come they insult now they make that party bubble that day. The papa where you they insult, so now you get all the influence for your wedding. No. Now you get all the influence. Now you bring all the big people. These people where they your wedding, they wasn't your friend before you married to that family. You don't marry to that family before you start to through that marriage. Now you take know this, you take know that. Why? Because this man don't forget all these people as a boys, as a children, as a godfather to them. You come marry my pikin finish. All the children where use me do papa, you come they humiliate them. You want me to be happy. Don't do. Even friend to friend self. Me and you not friend, you go they insult my another of my person. I'll say I bear rest now because of me. You know, right? You want me to be happy with you. Not to talk or in-law. My mother-in-law. Why the day for social media? The reason why I live on for where I not come the polo like rubbish. Now my mother-in-law save and say live on. Wait. If you respect people, you respect some of their things. Bonyo. Now they touch you. Now they touch you. Then they go send me video. I call it blackmailing video. Blackmailing. Blackmailing. Emotional blackmail. But even if you want to do emotional blackmailing, you should also consider the people that were there. Imagine person where they spray for your party, you they can't humiliate some. What way? Imagine person where play band for your party because of your father-in-law. Akobe. Umuero na niwewa. ambassador no wa ma gbe una wa la lui no until today iwa yan ye ge wa la lui me no ya la lui se we me no la jan bi bai tai we ala lui hin ni zuwa ni ro you don't see who they agree saying in la lui oyibo wey bring ala lui come. I never see where video where Oyibo they do one day go say I'm a learning liquor. Awa. Na mo ge na una ya hian we na mo girlfriend no over friend na mo ye live video wa na mo ye national television wa na blow eri ola lo we ma no ri ku we ma no do pe ri ku we ma no fin we me heart in wa ne. You know do the trouble one time. Maybe say okay, it can happen continuously. You know they sleep, may you wake up, may you remember. Time when I take drink together, time where it take entertain you, time where it take send you money, time where it take be there for you. You not remember one day, time where my father-in-law even take good for me. No. Video where you they wash, it don't mean anything to you. Now you say make we wash, make we change our mindset. You watch that video, so it didn't mean anything to you. The love they show on you that day, it don't mean nothing to you. Where you went to take wife, it don't mean anything to you. How your papa dance, follow you that day, it don't mean anything to you. Now we outside that one come mean something to. Syria we wa total awa wo bebonya enwa ya no lega oguwe eruwe ewuwe okun egbe wo ikun sofa no we wa aje ni na do mi we fana wiye won wa wo edo awo we go di ami ma negi me go yan no gele go alo we are 3000 kekan ladian 3000 kekan na re ladian sin go di no ara mon rabun oki awo we go yan no mo ri do me having 3,000 ni a kaje gold iye ko zin gberi another 3,000 be ya gwa le mortgage ni mo pa mo e do we je ke no na afin e wo rijo don't do because he said na liki otherwise how it know who they leak that page is evil way they claim those single mother. My daddy never supported my baby sister marriage, but on the day of the wedding, my father was dancing, but deep down in the I don't know. God bless you. Oh, God bless me. I best well and well make God bless me, Jare. You mistake. For always standing for the truth. Yes. They know say they come for this thing today. They can't see me a blackmailing video. I really watched the video. I can't lie. Watch it from beginning to the end. And I was emotional. Where is this love? Where is this respect? Where will not put on? Where thing happen? Na came a polygamy. Where me now with polygamy? Where is this respect? Where is this promise? You went to people's sitting room. Any man will go do me like that. God forbid. I don't care what my father do me. You will not remain in my life. You went to our family sitting room. My own traditional wedding for us. I don't go. My husband don't go. My mother-in-law and my family, my mama. That video, if I watch it because my mother was still alive there, it's so emotional for me. It make me like I'm losing it. I can't believe. I can't imagine everything that happened. Marriage, now they make woman, they remember their sitting room. Where you grow, you can't come out there for years. You will never be there again. But anytime you play the video of your marriage, you see your father's sitting room. You see and know how you guys used to use that place. Then a man come to that place, kneel down, promise. he will not beat me, he will be loyal, he will be a good in-law. At the end of the day, he's not the one. He's sorting every member of that family, dragging my father to the mud. And you tell me you are revenging for what he did to you when you were small. How many times have you rubbished your mother? Because your mother also did something to you. A mother who leave a child behind in a polygamous home needs to be dragged along. It cannot go where get go away. Umatamera will not be away. Utamijua will not be away. When your father is bad, blame your mother. Blame your mothers. When your father is bad, blame your mother. When they grow, come my man are number 5 wife for my pa. Anytime you silly ho, they always tell my mom, say, shh. Where did they go? Because you are part of the public. Shut up. How can number 5 they say you're silly ho? What is that? Now see number 1, now see number 2, number 3. Why the yo? Why do I talk silly ho? Also, iwa bojo kan eda me bi je me gunu. Iho ya no rie no tawo ohwo be such a boy first wife. And they to fear for one ya mare. Una first one na wo be nwira me no ri din o talk boy. Cause usun any problem wa ya ga kan. They say okpia no mo ho atos to wa ya na gbeta to we yule. I'm a polygamy. But what piano me ho gatos to wa evani wajo ubie me jone de mi nuwe gitana. Or when to go be first wife. O my go ma responsible vegene. Abi you never see first wife we not get character. You never see first wife where the character not good. If you can't know, say you don't born for such place, for your children to live good, why you not go keep character? Eh? My father first wife, he no fit for all the woman again. But over there na cause it gonna be a fall. Ona kpona rio wage. What's that? Oma biokpa no fie mo fo no le. Not the Africa country. Ona ziegbe, ona biene. Ona ziegbe, ona ekopo, ona ekopa. Oma epo efo na eko ahin we negbe ohinyenye yeti. If you are just school Monday to Friday, no ya tu your ohin, ma ya be lelia. Abe don't do. Some mothers don't know how to plan their life when they put wayo for men body. If your papa can rich, who say may your mama not be trader? Who say may your mama not rich? Who say may your mama not try? Who say before any little thing, he and yet be and tag Benedium? Why can't get one who get buwa? If Benedium that they just school, I will do my dear Joe. He and a Joe, he and my a book on the Benedium, oh, what did you want? Any small thing. No sick Benedium. No sick Benedium. You know how many women Benedium do throw away? Wait, can't carry all the sherry. Why the rest lucky mama? What's a no matter why you corona do a go lele yahnya? Eriakume o, Eriakume abuma gije lucky ma igaro wawa. I bet my people. I'll see you later. You get with me. Wisdom not go kill you. No. Wisdom. Embrace us. Oh yeah, there. Oh yeah, wisdom. Oh God. Mrs. Nwagbo. Mrs. Nwagbo, I grew up in a polygamous home and I've never regretted it because if I want to regret it, I will blame my mom. But my mom also did what she think is best for her. And at the end, she tried. Yes. My mom also have right to say, oh, I don't like this place again, I walk away, then turning us to single mother children. But she never did. She stayed. She will quiet if she have to be quiet, so that we can have fatherly love and be there. And she, my mother was a businesswoman. He know they wait for my father. In short, at the time, my father, they jealous him. I can still remember vividly. If my father won't go in the morning, the rest people don't ask for pencil, book, money on Saturday. Because we na madam children, that's why they talk. Na early morning, where you. Now we go remember, say, Baba, my go ni me wa wape you are. If you madam, why ya ne you wa? Because they too were if you madam. Iyan ke na kota yan no you talk, why do I know my go we for you? Ije mi rien po ga go ni ya ni ma. Okpa. O e get cause problem. Or you go ni ma. Next time, he could fit tell us, say, you not go ask now, oh. Your maid they ask now. Wabwa wa yo to, e demo de wapume de. That is it. At the time, I grow to just like, leave the man, give me, ume, rieme. Or ye ma. Don't do, my people. Oh, we're polygamy. My mama not there, he can't suffer. Many days, there was a time in my father's home. After a long time, so many years, I know when you is there. I know or walking here rock. If you saw that webo, in go gijin, but in my name, ne, it will never move away, but with the same law. Oh, we do a key. But you were there outside, you go the tea say, I will go near warrior, you go better, man, you gotta go neck when you rowa. Mamma, yeah, I fianek be. On a lisa, you be fianek, okay. Don't do. Yeah, you get bad man forever, and get bad man, not be polygamy, cause I'm for my boys. Now, mama will carry on and sit down. They go tell na talk against your father. Era go ne ban do ate Joe where be a big man who might enjoy one day. They enjoy you. My papa, you don't give me money before. Your father don't need to give you money before you will enjoy his love. Have him alone. If you not talk, and nobody go no. But as you come talk and everybody will come to say, you need be a big man, ya, a Kitayan wa hero. I don't want that now when I will to moto. Huh? Et moi, mais où il y a des éphémériens. You never popularish. You never popularish. You know, go let another person popular. When we are above popularity, everyone, yeah. Never popularish. Since when they praise you, you never reach. Make us stay popular. If not so, your papa say popular. By causing nowhere say get popular. Your papa popular by hard work. People go say na lie or you do go money. Or easy was and women na make connection and not do go mo. If it easy, why you no fit get touch? See you now, you and your husband. Una be ghetto, torture people. Why don't you buwari yawa? Before, ija, we be putting thing. Before, you want to do a send off. Nenemi end of year party. Now May you dey call. Shali rionare o. Don't rionare o. Ruru rionare o. All of them go put. This one go put, that one go put, that one go put. At the end, you go almost get 1 million when you want to do end of year party. But today will come. Now all these women we go donate today, tomorrow they not go donate. Aduro people, go see them. That day you want to end of year party. 1,000 yen borrow. We are not the one with social media. You use your hand, throw away those where they give you millions. No year the year. You use your hand, you throw away them. Now your papa cost that one. If your papa not do yes sir, follow a lucky benediction, and then you go to what do more, me do more. If you might get wisdom, I live in Agbona. Since when you take married to your papa, you get sense. You never they do something with your papa. As you not can get sense. You must hear you egbe. I moto viere fi moto bo fi e kiora akpolo ona do himi no hia ye du wejia nu wegebe logu wegebe le social media gwan we do himi no hia o we social media we wa ya gbera to yo wa ya mu egboto wa ya fa wa ya compare igbinedion eroma eri igbinedion le me wish dede me de we wish igbinedion bi me go for bi bat. Ọmọ náà lé kí gbìnẹ́dì ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin ọmọ náà lé kí ẹ̀dọ̀pọ̀lọ́ èrè láàrin a ò kàn sí dán kàn lè wíṣí yàgí bí gbìnẹ́dì ọ̀rọ̀ yàgí yíyan máa sẹ̀mí à bí gbìnẹ́dì ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nẹ́ẹ̀mẹ̀ rẹ̀ wẹ̀ bò ọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀ là láyìn ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nẹ́ẹ̀mẹ̀ bẹ̀ wẹ̀ bò mẹ̀mẹ̀ bẹ̀ wẹ̀ bò dọ́ọ̀tù. rẹ̀ wẹ̀ bò yẹ sàkàsàkà ẹ̀ rà wẹ̀ sí ọ́ ní ìjọ ìgbé àbí polygamy ní ìjọ wẹ̀ sí ọ́ ní ìjọ ìgbé. Urewebo nene rano mazige school nuevo one way ya se webo unu school we gijona do we like nene school bon because I have ye manje school we webo our women no ka ye school in Nigeria o ye be se wona we be so school akon we no ma de school in Nigeria wa keke no like school se be webo but wa ga se mo wa like am your bon your war I what is spaghetti are chicken atebo ne no so. You say your papa go see Igbinedion children. Imagine that. Number one, that is an insult to your father. Your father is your father. Your father is your father. Waiting your father challenge, not be waiting Igbinedion challenge. Everybody with your own headache.
Why?
Okay? If you must blame who they born you to, blame your mother. Because now they friend, now they open their akpororo. If you must blame who they born you to, carry your mother sit down and blame your mother, never your father. What did father do? Like me, so I choose in this abroad. I will never friend boy where they bleach, where they do it gayoyo. I don't like it. So if I become friend that one now, you turn me to single mother. I can't they blame my children. I be having no home day, Becky. Gani you na fifi lele o manoreki o my na amiero. They no blame me na say look what is you agbon wafo. Who that egbi you pa ake me polygamy. Unu peraje. Eri me adien we despite we give money. Akari ho no bunde yi era kesun. Ayeri ho no bun today. Akobera gbon no me say ejera. Iyan wori ho no bun. Don't do. I ho no bun agbon eri ma wa. Abi o eri yin me. Just that way I get ho no bun na ado abiele mo dance oni mama. Cause I need just so yin do awe mi ba mi. We make una come get yago yaka yogo yaka. Eh? First daughter. You don't know say as first daughter they pay papa. Now so first daughter also they say, papa, you not look me like. Now so still they pay papa. I been at the second day where they marry, now problem start. Now papa start to the 8 ans. I been not be something little something. You sit down, your husband saying don't do vaga your father wife. Adwe sotana ya mwebo mami ekwe. Don't do what tabo. Mama na mie woge ne oni vedere o me mie woge woru le pa wo ya mo bogbe ere. Emi no wa te re anybody where they swear for your children na wish. You where they swear for your own sister children, you be wizard. When no matter that be on what you yet 20 on what my bog be on television, you are a wizard. When you do motivate with social media. Oh, Saloba we say we one by one have a yak bawa. Afari afawa. Okay, now mo pa wa ma no Mario ko no bun, yen ko no seto e mata yen. Eri o wa no ze. Kasu kien be no je. Look at you when one concept this type of polygamous and we bok bon. Where uko? Wa no de there any Mario da bone ya mo bok bin an da yan wo we mi. Mo na not talk put for this matter. She. You where you swear for social media, swear for your own blood sister, children. You will drive your mama come up for us because of television. The television, over you hear it, come see big television where my daughter mistakenly fall. Ni yana zanza. Ina mu yete walk me ku. Ima be we ima be wujo TV fake be. But a television no imu fuwa. Na ewe. Rubbish. You were there abroad. How much for television of old plasma? I mean, no move na television without it never. Yaou. Now your sister children go. Una hui jouer foi. Una hui rafoi. Una mwe bok biye. Una ya mwe bok biyan biye 7. Una movi jouer de live video. Una do zanzan. Una do tamima. When no ya, when the ya way, when no ya me come and give my way, ordinary television. Now you now come they talk say a father that swear for his children is a wizard. You are a wish. You are a wish. Maybe they remember all of you now. Kinwado. See the other one we no fit forgive his sister. What he doing? Ona buao. Now what on here we are concerning you go come they talk for another people wahala. Why? Oh wa do wa why forgive? Why me? Why who get it? Even why TV why ma? Be fair and be truthful. Or you look the matter, you bet your finger, say, I'm not good in this one. Me and Iswa young daughter went to school together. That man was a great father. The kids never lack in school. Or what one on a lack in the school, or why it's a life from Muweko, a sin of forage, or yellow, the sin of your mother. Night punishment. If the sin of a mother, now it take punish and where it punish with the sin of a mother. Sis, you come and cook spaghetti for you. Bring spaghetti, I cook it for you still.
Where is it?
Okay, guys, see you.
Where is it?
In that small drawer.
Oh, I thought you meant.
Mama, now weekend we did. I bet fire down. We know any I go see any. Hello, my lady.
Hello, mommy.
Good evening. I did Instagram. Okay, if I finish. Okay, I think say you know. Okay. Is that spaghetti I said you should bring? You understand, my people? Mommy waiting you they cook. See me, my darling. Now stew and okra one cook better one. I want boil and down. I'll go do video. If I finish video, I'll come back to the kitchen again because not be saying our food where we want eat now tomorrow food. But the two don't eat bitter leaf. The rest don't eat rice, but the rice boy finish, and so I want to cook spaghetti for Monica. Then if I come back, I will come and finish all the parboiling. Kai, I go cook my own tomorrow. Abby, I want to cook stew and okra together. So that's why I'm just parboiling the whole thing before sister I'm hungry come here. So now, so let me just cook it this thing. Then I'll go ready. I they come. Oh Monica, it's after 6, so yeah, it did now. I tell we're here late, even no what be late because over no one me. I can't just sleep when I wake up now. Since we are soaked for bread, don't you say I need to put them for fire. Maybe not come over. People that is just coming, don't worry, we'll talk about this thing. Breaking news. Let me tell you the breaking news. People will not watch from beginning. Now so one person for this social media. Now so he can't say one join Saga gang. Can't say without Saga. They're not the same viewers, so they're not the monetize. Now he can't say he wants to join no. And I think they say na lie when they talk. He go talk like, he can't talk like on top of one person like that. That thing can't pay me because this life, the person he no near you, he no do you anything, no even deserve such life ever. Such a great person do not deserve such life. I can't lie for the person yet. Now I can't say one man baba but he ain't talk be. Oh he ain't talk be. Today I just do. That's why I just hear. Can't they say one person like that? He can't they drive, he can't go drink. That's why he fed they do and all that no. That's why they drive, they drink. You know say that day. Oh poor avaye. Now oh poor can police can control, police can collect the driving license, police can seize the car. Now the person na leg a boss he take they go work. Hey. Usually I know they happy for this type of thing, but because this person particularly lied on somebody that is close to me, in a way, il va boring and fear qu'on les lait. Hello, hello, good evening. Il est Instagram, Oh, when you may speak at it. Okay. Don't worry. Who be that? I'm gonna go look for the person. I don't know. Now later one, I don't know who be that. The person will tell by say talk as they don't already tell Monica that the person will just say, my city people. Now so now be at least they don't lie on you the way you lied on you. Your own are real. It really happened and they said it. Yeah? But your own, you lied. You lied on that person. You lied on that person. And this lie. Now so you they see as it begin for your body, they go. In Jesus' name. And now 1 month ago, they say it happened. The person be not talking come out. Okay? Now so many of them where they la. Ero de kwaya de kunwa betu wa he antala dia o betu de kunyo most of de kunwa. Iva bo most of ye kun le leven wa ya togi. Re. Ha! Bye. And lovely people. God bless you. See you all later. Bye. She not go let the person talk. He go talk now where he know say Monica don't know. People go they say who be that? Who be that? Ooh, I don't know. Me and that girl go the same secondary school. She no know anything for school that year. Oh. Same, my mom and my mom was one that almost pay our school fees. Oh, I came from polygamous home. None of all dare to insult my father. I know what my mother go through. But she still remained there. Yeah. Bye. Bye, lovers. See you. Yes, now the person now drinking master. Drinking master.